Hello, and this is another video. I'm John Hill, and it's for Expressions for Education, the unboxing. Here's the box. Let's check and see what we got in the box. What do we have in the box? Celebration. Yeah, there you go, celebration. Now it's the true celebration. Okay. Here it is. Why is the cover on the cover? Why is it that the title is covered? And on the back, why is it? Well, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video to get the title of the book. You'll have to stay tuned for the you'll have to stay tuned for the next title of the book before I get attacked by the balloons. So here you go. Here's the book. Here's the front. Here's the back. And in closing, select a vocation and be the next inspiration. Again, my name is John Hill, and thank you very much. Signing off for Expressions for Education.